We're Refresh Global. We're a German-Israeli startup. Wherever we are, there's textiles, there's clothing, and there's also textile waste that's left behind. What we have done was to develop an innovation, a technology, which, without causing more harm to the environment, is able to take the textile waste and transform it into new raw materials for other applications and for other industries to use and to apply. With our really brilliant scientists and our team, we finally developed a technology which knows how to take the discarded textiles, the feedstock from the textiles, and transform them into 3 new raw materials. One is called Re-Nano, that can replace a lot of plastic applications. So imagine in the future, the packaging will be fully compostable with our product. We are also the first ones in the world which have developed ethanol from textile waste. All of that comes together into that smart up system that we have developed. Once we have the investment, we will be able to put it to work, to put it to the development of that system, the growth of our team, so that we can be fully ready and provide the solution to all those that will contact us and will be looking for our help.